Haba jubab halor ka special motion balawan ra do ba ardan mela basayo moj UMLA ka nongkram haka sngi ba ar ka dorbar sunrai jong ka yung dorbar thawan ka jilla haka khandai trigunai lor arja arpusan haka balaya tai halor ka jinkius tat ki bakerni drugs bat ki ba em bat khunyang HIV uba pol lingdo umentri bari khmi ya katanat social welfare ka sarkar jilla ulaong baka mikalaya ka don marjan bat ka golden triangle bat kumta kalong sok palat ya ka baki nong khayi drugs kin pedan kam ya ka kum ka lenti khayi ka bawan ra jing mapat yaki khana bat ki khun samla uba polling do da ka bakdo bo umla ban jerlut yaki sin jam ba ka sarkar jala kala shim ban ya khun ya ka jingwan rung drugs ulaong nalor ki kendon ka NDPS Act khat khandai spa prapusan la pentri kamru yaki kendon ka PIT NDPS Act khat khandai spa prapupra bat gidan sanwat menta ki bambelian khayi drugs ki bala sha set along Shushu ula pente bahaki sansnam kila don Hendrews pa lightly ki mukadama ki bala register hapo ki kendon ka NDPS Act khat khandai spa prapusan bat jar Hendrew pu khandai ngot ki brio ki bala shakem ulaong bakala don ka jing thang yau drugs u ganja bat ki we ki jing di pen buat ban lat na ka borong biang shaki yau bean ulaong baka sarkar jala kamshong klikti ha ka bala thau ki sin jam kum ka dream bat ki we ban weng ya ki jing e now drugs
so substance use disorders and the cumulative effects that it has had and is having on our social fabric is known to all of us. We are all concerned, not just as leaders of the state, but also as parents, as guardians, as uncles, as aunts, and as members of a society that is struggling to make its presence felt globally. I'm happy that at least the LO made a very clear-cut distinction when he spoke of the problem of drug addiction and its spread as a menace, as just not a regional or a state matter, not even as a national crisis, but a global phenomenon and a global problem. We live in an increasingly globalized world, and for a state and a region that shares 98% of its borders with other countries. More especially, the fact that we are very close to the Golden Triangle of Myanmar has made Meghalaya especially vulnerable to the problem of drug addiction and the spread of drug trafficking. Sir, time may not permit me to spell out all the initiatives that the government has taken. But I'd like to make a pointed reference to the fact that there were several initiatives that have been taken by the current government for the first time ever. For instance, we have a national act apart from the NDPS 1985. We also have the PITS NDPS legislated and passed by Parliament in 1988. The state government is applying both these acts with a major difference that PITS NDPS also allows our law enforcing agencies to detain repeated offenders, drug traffickers, for a period of not less than a year. And it is after 25 years since PITS NDPS was passed by Parliament in 1988 that the government of Meghalaya has invoked provisions of this act and applied it in Meghalaya. Today, as we speak, there are 5 repeated offenders who are serving detention under jails in the state of Meghalaya. I'd like to make a pointed reference to the act that the LO has referred to, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and to specifically point out that such a provision is also contained in PIT's NDPS. Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances Act, which facilitates for the attachment of the property of the detainee, the property of the next of kin, the immediate family of the accused person, and the freezing of bank account of not just the arrested person, but also his or her immediate family. As we speak, there are already 5 such detentions that have taken place, and more are being pursued, because in order for us, for the arms of the law, to finally be able to ensure their detention, we also need the approval of a board headed by a retired judge. It is also for the first time that the state has a mission that encompasses various departments. And under the DREAM mission, headed by the Honorable Chief Minister, the Department of Health, Social Welfare, Home Police, Education, Law are all integrated. And under this mission mode, we have successfully reached out at various levels and strata of administration, including right down to the block level. As recently as last year, to enhance the monitoring and enforcement of the NDPS Act, the state government has sanctioned the post of an SP of the Anti-Narcotic Task Force, as notified on the 4th of July 2024. Furthermore, a dedicated ANTF police station has been created and inaugurated this year itself to allow it to investigate all offences under the NDPS Act 1985 and also the PITS NDPS 1988, and to support district level enforcement. In addition, 12 district ANTF units have been established under the supervision of the respective SPs to ensure localized action against trafficking. During the last 5 years, the police have registered 603 NDPS cases, arrested 1,069 accused persons, and seized large quantities of contraband. The police department has also prioritized the timely disposal of seized drugs, a point made again by the LO. On the 23rd of January 2025, narcotics from 56 cases were destroyed at the Star Cement incinerator, Lomshnong, including heroin, cannabis, crystal meth, and cough syrups. Close coordination is being maintained with the BSF, Customs, NCB, IB, and state excise, leading to several joint operations along the interstate and the international border. In fact, as early as last month, a meeting was held where Meghalaya made a fervent plea for allowing the setting up of a branch of the NCB in Shillong. Efficient and effective investigation of cases have ensured that more arrests are being made. And today, areas which have never been covered in the past, for instance, the cantonment land, areas under the cantonment board, Yodo, where the ENTF has not reached, has not shown its presence in the past, we are showing our presence today. Just this Saturday, I was at Clay Yodo to inaugurate a counseling center with the partnership of faith leaders. We are doing a lot, but I also concede that the biggest room in this world is the room for improvement. The state is also a pioneer in providing treatment for users, drug users of different ages and genders. We have 12 existing rehab centers, either funded by the center, the state government, or privately owned. We have one integrated rehabilitation center for addicts run by the KGPA New Hope De-Addiction Center at Maudiang and supported by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, which was pursued by the state government. We have 7 institutions fully supported by the state government and 4 privately owned. The ministry has also helped set up an addiction treatment facility at Tura Civil Hospital, and we have one outreach and drop-in center at Shillong managed by Kripa Foundation. In addition to the above, during 2025-26, we have also managed to get the approval of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment for the creation of a district de-addiction center at West Jaintia Hills to be managed by the Meet Mintru Community Social Welfare Association. Besides the above, the ministry has also taken keen interest to set up addiction treatment facilities in the gap districts where there are no de-addiction centers. Proposals for establishing additional ATFs through the Health Department have been submitted to the ministry, and these include Civil Hospital Shillong, Memhans Shillong, Jowai Civil Hospital, Bakmara Civil Hospital, William Nagar Civil Hospital. That apart, we also have de-addiction center in prison settings, and the districts identified for setting up of these centers at prison settings are West Garo Hills, West Jaintia Hills, and Ribhoi district. In addition to this, 62 NGOs have been given grant and aid from the state for carrying out activities under the anti-drugs campaign, reaching out to more than 15,639 individuals. At the state level, the DREAM project, we ensure that we collaborate between the various departments I have mentioned, and also the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society is actively engaged in creating awareness on various topics of drugs, HIV/AIDS, and these programs are being organized across the state. We have also provided financial aid to Life Care Foundation Rehab and Counseling Center, Sokhlam Maukarwat, for the management of the rehab center. We have signed an MOU with the Society for the Promotion of Youth and Masses, SPYM, for training of teachers as master trainers under the Navchana module to be implemented by the Education Department. Besides these, we have organized programs where there were testimonies by recovered addicts, a pledge-taking ceremony led by the CM, cycle rallies, football and basketball matches, IEC stalls, all of which witnessed more than 600 participants. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to highlight central initiatives in combating drug abuse. The Nasha Mukht Bharat campaign, launched on 15 August 2020, has made a lot of headway. The campaign has reached to 30,420 youths, 12,233 women, and 1,226 educational institutions. Social mobilization has been a key factor in our fight against the menace. We have been able to bring together different faith leaders on the 20th of February 2025. As far as the Dorbars are concerned, I have made this appeal in the recent past. I would like to reiterate this on the floor of this August House, that instead of encouraging mindless activism, there is a way for civil society to work together with the government, and that is through the VDP, the Village Defense Parties, which, as of date, in Shillong, there are 11 functional VDPs. Last week, there were 2 organizations which had met me, one from the Dorbar Shnong of Upper Mopram Nong Sopo, and the other from the VDP of Nongstan, which I will personally visit at the close of this session. A joint inspection was held with the Cantonment Board, State Police and the Dorbar Shnongs on the 21st of March 2025, and this has led to our identification of sites for installation of CCTV cameras and the removal of scrapped vehicles at Lom Survey and Tembujoy, which have become hotspots for drug-related activities. As far as these activities are concerned in areas where various honorable members have spoken, I would request them to share details with me so that we can further enhance the activities under the DREAM mission. So when it comes to the issue of HIV/AIDS, We know that there are multiple reasons for the increase in these cases. One, of course, is the fact that there is now improved detection and testing. We have expanded the testing centers to 5 centers and 24 link ART centers. As early as July, 8th of July 2025, a meeting was taken at the level of the Honorable Deputy CM in charge home, attended by Honorable Ministers of Health, Social Welfare, and we have also invited all the elected representatives from East Khasi Hills District. I would like to specifically mention the presence of Ba Adelbert Nongrum in that meeting, and I would like to seek the physical presence of the mover of the motion and honorable member from Maurangkeneng constituencies, where this problem has also become very pronounced. So I hope that this comprehensive overview has managed to illustrate how serious, how concerned we are with the matter. I have made it a point to get daily inputs from the SP, ANTF. I'm happy to say that in a matter of barely 10 days, narcotics worth of 4 crores were seized from Giant Hills and 1 crore from Shillong just the day before yesterday. 5 crores in a matter of 10 days. This shows that we are going tongs and hammer. We are relentlessly pursuing the fight to contain, control, and I'm confident we will be also able to fully eradicate the menace. So once again, sir, I thank all the members for their valuable inputs. I would, however, implore that engaging on the floor of this House should not be the only platform. Time and again, we will need them to come up with the valuable inputs, information, and also, this is not us versus them. This is the state of Meghalaya, the people of Meghalaya, fighting in unison against a menace that threatens to make us victims. But the choice is ours. I would implore that rather than succumbing to the temptation of admitting defeat, let us be victors and never, never victims.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya